We're getting first reaction from Lalu Prasad Yadav himself, in fact, on what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say. Lalu Prasad Yadav, the RJD Supremo, has now responded to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he has said it's raining lies in Bihar. Jumla downpour in Bihar is something that has been the response of Lalu Prasad Yadav on what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say. In fact, that's the post that I'm talking about that has been put out by RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav. For more, let me go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us right now. Sabyasachi, so we were just, discussing if there has been any reaction from RJD, and now we have Lalu Prasad Yadav himself reacting to what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said.
Well, that's right. See, it's the first official reaction coming in from RJD, and that too from RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav himself, stating that what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying from Siwan is nothing but Jumla. Now, this very point has been highlighted by the RJD from the very first day that they got to know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Siwan, and RJD has been escalating its attack, stating that the BJP does not talk about jobs, inflation, price rise, and the pressing issues that is going in the country. Rather, the BJP does not deliver on the promises that it had made to the people of Bihar. Whereas, contrary to that, the BJP has been escalating its attack on the RJD, stating that the Bihar state has not been developed properly because of the nepotism politics. And nepotism politics is something which the BJP has been highlighting from the very beginning, that both Lalu Prasad Yadav and Tejasvi Yadav, for their own benefits, are ruining the state of Bihar.
All right. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. And that's the post, viewers, that has been put out by Lalu Prasad Yadav on social media platform X. He says, and I quote, बिहार हित में मौसम की चेतावनी, आज बिहार में झूठ, जुमलों और भ्रम की भारी बारिश हो रही है। गरज के साथ झूठे लुभावने वादों के ओले भी पड़ रहे हैं, संभल कर रहे. So that is something that Lalu Prasad Yadav had to say as Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Bihar.